Hello, my name is Javan Bennett, and I'll be delivering today's webinar on avoiding potential pitfalls in tax indemnities in private M&A transactions. As a bit on my professional background, I'm a senior associate in the litigation, arbitration, and investigations team at Linklaters. Before joining this team, I spent a number of years in the UK corporate tax team at Linklaters, where a lot of my work included drafting and negotiating tax deeds. Now, I sit on the other side. I work on post-acquisition claims, both tax-related and non-tax-related, be that under the warranty package, the tax deed, or other indemnities within the SPA. It is not uncommon for clients who may have used another firm to draft the SPA and the tax deed to come to our disputes team to review the tax deed where there are concerns around the effectiveness of the drafting and, by extension, concerns around own interest conflicts. As such, I've had an opportunity to see a wide range of different approaches taken to the drafting of tax deeds. Accordingly, drawing from this experience, in terms of the approach for this session, tax-related indemnities are being considered from a litigator's perspective. In other words, issues which arise in relation to the construction of the indemnity before the English courts or an arbitral tribunal applying English law will be considered in this webinar. This session is pitched to those with beginner to intermediate level knowledge of transactional tax. A challenge for any presenter in such a session is that the target audience is likely to comprise tax advisors and possibly lawyers, such that, inevitably, some of the material at some point will not be entirely new to a portion of the audience. As you may already know, while tax deeds are fairly common in the UK and in UK-related transactions, this is not always the case outside the UK. However, where there is a UK nexus, such as a UK bidco or UK seller within a multinational group, a long-form UK-style deed is not uncommon. This webinar will consider issues arising from target companies outside the UK as well. One final point. You will note the use of the terms tax indemnities and tax covenants. These are not interchangeable, although in practice they are often used in this way. I don't propose to talk through the differences in full detail, however, we will discuss this briefly later on.